So here we have heights of 400 individuals in inches in an Excel file. And what I want to do is that I want to see that how do I get the counts within certain values. So, and in this case, say, between one standard deviation of the mean. So I selected average via this paste function feature, and then I'm going to select my data. So it's from cell A2 to cell A41. So the mean is how much? 69.2325. And then for the standard deviation, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the statistical feature here and scroll down to standard deviation of a sample, because these are 400 people, just a sample there. So, and then again, I'll have the same range, A2 to A401. Okay, so this is the standard deviation. So if I want to see what value goes, what is the value one standard deviation below, it's about 66 inches. And if I want to go what value is one standard deviation above, it is, just a second, must have done something wrong. Okay, so here I just selected this, then plus, oh yeah, I selected the third cell, didn't I? So say we would like to do this, that is, this is 66, this is 73. So I want to see this here, that how many values are between 66 inches to 73 inches. So for this, the function or a function that we have in Excel is that you can go count Fs. Okay, and then here I know my data values are in there. So what I'm going to do is my first criteria is what? My first criteria is that the value should be greater than how much? 65. Okay, and then my value, again, we have to type this in. Okay, and my values are, moment, then again, this time less than how much? Less than 74. Okay, so we got that. And then, so it tells me that 287 out of 400 values are between 66 and 73. Now there are a lot of roundings in here, so I'll let you decide in your own examples. All right.